guys, welcome to Love Shop Box channel. Today I'm going to unbox this one from Dell. You can buy this on Amazon also. This is the new Inspiron 7000 2-in-1 laptop. This is a new version. So I'm very excited because it was given to me as a gift for this Christmas, and this is an advance Christmas gift from my husband, and also anniversary and birthday gift, 3-in-1. He said, shout out to you, love. Thank you for this, and I'm very excited for this. Okay, let's open. Okay. Oh. That's a box. Okay. Like I said, this is the Inspiron 7000 2-in-1 laptop from Dell. Let's open this. Oh, I'm super excited. Okay, I'm going to use this to edit this video later on. Look at that. Ooh. Look at that. So nice. It's like metal one. Yeah, it's like a metal one. 8th generation Intel Core i7 1165G7 processor. Yeah. Let's open this. Let's open this. Oh, look at that. Okay, this is where you're gonna charge the HDMI, the USB cable. Other side, where you put the headphone, SD card. Okay. Oh, let's see. Let's see what's in. Oh, it looks like. Ta-da-da. Oh, so nice. It's a bit. It's a very big monitor. Look at that. Look at the monitor. So nice. Okay. The good thing about this is that it will not leave a fingerprint. Look at that. It will not leave the fingerprint like that. It's very clean. It's like in matte finish. Okay, it's a silver one, matte finish. So nice. Very nice. So since it's a two-in-one laptop, so you can also tip like this. It's like a tablet, like this. Oh, nice. Oh, wow. Wow, still clean. Yeah, still new. Like that. Okay. Let's try to put it on. So nice.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
This is how it looks like after I activate, after the activation, the sign ups, the registration. Thank you for watching.